Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are doing our letter sound cards. I like the letter sound cards. Okay, so we're going to start with O today. Okay, so I want you saying these along with me, please. Okay, because the better you do, the more you practice, the better you are going to get, right? With your letters and your sounds and your fluency slides, okay? So here we go. Okay. O, octopus, aw. W, wind, w. K, kite, k. M, man, m. P, pan, p. G, game, g. S-H, ship, shh. Miss Sisley got that backwards, didn't she? R, rat, F, fun, f. Y, yellow, ya. Oh, let's try this. L, lamp, T, top, t. H, hat, J, jug, j. B, bat, b. C-H, chin, ch. A, apple, a. X, fox, x. T-H, thumb, th. Not T-H. N, nut, n. W-H, whistle, w. Q-U, queen, qu. I, itch, I. Z, zebra, z. U, up, D, dog, d. C-K, sock, k. The ending sound of sock. S, snake, s. V, van, v. C, cat, k. E, ed, eh. Oh, you guys did an awesome job with your Fundations letter sound cards. Anytime you want to practice that, you have that yellow page inside your fish folder that you may get out and practice, because practice makes perfect, right? I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your Wednesday, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.